guys, I know it's late, trying to record the new waterfront. That's why I'm driving on here. I try to hook it up to the little mount I have up here while I'm driving. That's kind of dangerous, I'll wait till later. Yeah, so I'm gonna try something today. Gonna try something I've been planning for the longest while. Kinda don't want to do it. I'm like 75% sure I'm doing it, which is flying my drone all the way over to what do you call it? Oh, why am I drawing a blank? Flying my drone over to Buck Island and back. And best place to fly from is like this place over by Bolongo. However, I'm not sure of how the access is. I haven't been over there in a long time. It's been 5 years ago. Alright guys, I think we found a decent spot where we could fly from and go over to Buck Island, and it's right off of Bovoni. It's kind of a little beach, rocky beach over here. Yeah, baby. The water looks nice, but it's a rocky beach full of pebbles and pebbles on pebbles. Water looks beautiful though. And straight over there is our destination. It's about a mile and a half out. So let's see what we can do. I think that's everything we need so far. All right. Got a full charge on the remote battery last night. Full charge on the drone. We don't seem to have any metal in these steps. I think we're far enough away from the airport where we could actually take off without any prohibitions. Okay, signal, everything seems good so far. Just wait until we get the green light. Not sure what you guys can see on the camera. Ready to go. Okay, it's obtained 10 satellites right now, so the GPS is good. We're gonna go ahead and arm it. It's sensing that there's something in the way. Yeah, so this is it. We made it finally. I've been planning this trip over a year now, because it's a year since I went to St. John, and I've always said I'm gonna plan to go to Buck Island. It took us 8 minutes 50 seconds to get there, and only 7 minutes, basically 7 minutes coming back. All right, so that's it for today. I'm going ahead and end the video right there. Got to get back to the duties of the day. One day hopefully I could get to go over there on someone's boat or whatever, and probably on my boat. I need to get engine, guys, and check it out myself in my little dinghy. All right, this is your boy Marky Mark signing out, saying VI to the world. All right, bless up.